Hello. Today we will teach you how to use the word sorry.
Yes, a very small word, but a very important word. British people, in particular, say sorry very often.
We say sorry when we've done something bad or something wrong. Like this.
Don't scratch it, for God's sake!
Sorry. Yeah.
Or like this. Oh, sorry, Scratchit.
Or like this.
No, Scratchit!
Sorry.
We can also say sorry just before we give someone some bad news.
Like this. I'm sorry, sir, the dog has eaten your dinner.
What?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Bloody hell!
We can also say sorry when we feel bad for somebody.
Yes, like this. Oh, I've got a really sore tummy.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
I'm not sorry, really.
What do you mean you're not sorry, Scratchit? Now, we can also say sorry when we haven't heard or don't understand what someone has said.
Sorry, sir, what was that?
Don't scratch it! Pay attention!
Sorry, sir.
So, viewers, we hope that you now know how to say sorry.
Sorry.
Scratch it!